Hello everyone, it's Joy from Phoneplace Kenya, and today we are going to review the Infinix Hot 30. It is a very affordable phone going for 23,000 Kenyan shillings at Phoneplace. For this price, you get a 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, allowing you seamless scrolling and a great view. At the back, it has a 50 megapixel wide camera and 0.08 megapixel depth lens, and at the front is an 8 megapixel wide selfie camera, giving you decent shots. Alongside it is a 256 GB internal storage with 8 GB RAM, giving you large space to store all your files and media. It comes in 3 colors: racing black, surface green, and sonic white. This phone is powered by a Mediatek Helio G88 processor and runs on the Android 13X OS 12.6 OS, making gaming fun and smooth with zero lag. If you want to get this phone, head over to our physical store at the Baza Plaza Mezzanine 1 unit or visit our website www.phoneplace Kenya and get yourself the Infinix Hot 30.